Welcome! In this video, I will learn you how to use the Neopixel ring with the Arduino Uno. For this video, I used the RGBW Neopixel ring with 12 LEDs. 12 ultra bright small LEDs are arranged in a circle. Here you can see the connections required. Input will be connected to the digital pin 6 of Arduino, with a 330 ohm resistor in between. So, moving on to the code, insert the library of Neopixel by clicking on Tools and then on Manage Libraries. Here you can install the right library. When that's done, click on File, Examples, and then Neopixel library, and finally the strand test. Because the ring used in this video is a RGBW, I need to change this in the code. There you go. It's very easy to get this LED ring up and running with the use of the library. You can edit the code just like you want. Have fun! Don't forget to subscribe to see more upcoming videos.